Hey everybody, my name is Siberia from Chasing Siberia, and it is almost officially a week after Valentine's Day, so if you're giving me that look, that means you forgot to give your partner something, which, not to worry, I have a couple of makeup gifts that will make anybody not mad at you anymore. For the first DIY, you will need a coffee mug, a plastic gift bag, ribbon, scissors, the person's favorite candy, and Ziploc bags. This is easy. Take your mug and fill it with candy. Once it's full, grab your plastic gift bag and wrap the mug. Tie the ribbon around the top and take the scissors and curl the ribbon. Now you're done with that gift. For the second DIY, you will need a deck of cards, paper, a ringlet, decals, glue stick, single hole punch, a pair of scissors, a permanent marker, and these reinforcement labels. First, take your deck of cards, take out the jokers and the rule card. You'll need one of those for later. For the next 52 cards, you'll need to hole punch the corner of each card. Take the reinforcement labels and place one on both the front and the back of the hole. This will prevent the cards from tearing. You can trim the labels if needed. Take your paper and cut out the size desired. Write your 52 reasons why you love your partner and glue it to the cards. Take one of the spare cards you removed from the deck earlier to use it as the cover. Place the ringlet through the holes. And now you're finished. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends and hit that like button down below. If you're new around here, definitely subscribe as we upload new DIYs every Tuesday. We also have a couple of segments that we're going to be introducing into the channel here. So I would like to give a shout out to my very first Patreon, Lisa. Thank you so much for helping support the channel. It means a lot to me. I will definitely have to make you something. I was so stunned when I saw somebody had become one of my Patreons, and I'm really, really happy about that. It means I'm doing something right and this channel is going in the right direction. So again, thank you so much. I did make a Discord server if anybody would like to join. It's obviously not too active right now, but it is there if you do want to join. I have a lot of different channels for people to explore. I might add more as time goes on. Really sorry if I seem to not have a lot of energy in this video. I'm kind of tired. But again, it does mean a lot to me when I see that I have people interacting with my videos. I love hearing from you guys. I like making videos for you guys, and this is just something that kind of puts me in high spirits. So again, thank you so much for watching. I do have social media if you guys would like to follow me. I have Facebook, Twitter, all of the social media platforms. And as always, guys, stay crafty.